Hi YouTube. I wanted to talk to you today about PTSD. Today I had a call that I was not expecting, and little do I know, I started having a panic attack. I had an anxiety attack. I was freaking out. A call was from a person that I least expected. I did not see it coming, and I don't like surprises. And when I get surprises, I get scared and I get nervous, and I hyperventilate, I sweat, and I literally go crazy. And so what I'm doing right now is I got on my exercise bike, my stationary bike, and I said, why don't I consider working out? Because I'm so scared, and I was having a panic attack literally. And so what I want to suggest to you is when life is not going the way you want it to go, and somebody gives you a call or says something to you that's out of line or freaks you out or make you feel different, the first thing you should consider doing is trying to exercise and maybe work that out. The reason why I say that is because exercise releases endorphins, and it also calms you down. Even though you're getting worked up with the sweat, you're also, it's a way of calming down. And so that's what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to calm down and not think about it and dwell on it. I tend to ruminate, and ruminate means go over the same thing over and over and over as if it just happened. And I'm really good for that and famous for that. And so I'm dealing with it. And I want to make a suggestion to you as well. When we battle with PTSD, we have to find other ways to relieve things that bother us and to get better. And so that's my suggestion to you for today. It's a Smart Sister. Thank you so much for reviewing and viewing this video. And I hope you come back soon, because I'll have more information for you and good tips for you for those of us battling PTSD, and especially from women over 40. And just like my saying goes, that everything that he, so did she. Be sure to visit my website online. It's sodidshe.com. And follow me on Twitter at SmartSista, SmartSysta. Have a good day.